Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to set up a meeting in Outlook. So you can send a meeting request to one or more people and Outlook can track who accepts the request and reserves the time on your Outlook calendar for the meeting. So this is one of the benefit of your Outlook calendar, that whenever someone is accepting your meeting invitation, it will be noted on your calendar. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am at my Outlook. So first of all, I need to click on new items, click on meeting. So now this is the tool, that means the person I'm sending the invitation to. I'm going to send it to, let's say, this account. The subject would be let's say the test case review. So now you can select the time. Here's the date, let's say 5:30 to 6 a.m. that is a 30-minute. You can select the all-day event if it is the all-day event, but now I just need 30 minutes for the review, so it's okay. So now I'm going to add a message, let's say so over here what you can do is you can also add the meeting link, let's say the meeting link, and then you can just simply paste the meeting link whatever you have over here, and then just click on the send and the location, yes, send anyway. So now the meeting has been sent. You can also give the location as the Zoom meeting or the Google Hangouts or the Google Meet. So this is how you can just send that meeting invitation. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to set up a meeting in Outlook. So thank you for watching.